Hey guys! Welcome to our channel. This is Zoe from CJdropshipping. I'm sure you guys saw videos telling you to stop selling cheap products from Chinese suppliers and start selling high-ticket products like couch, a dining table, wedding rings from local suppliers. But is it really profitable and suitable for all? In today's video, I will give out my honest opinions about high-ticket dropshipping. Let's find out together whether this is a new strategy of dropshipping or something else. Make sure to watch until the end and comment below to let us know your point of view. If you like this kind of video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel to show your support. Don't forget to ring the bell so you won't miss out on any valuable content. What is a high-ticket product? As most dropshippers are selling regular low-price products, many audience may not be familiar with high-ticket products. High-ticket dropshipping is all about selling expensive items, or what is called high-ticket products. On average, these products are cost $200 and up. With high-ticket products, you got significant profit margins and better flexibility in pricing than low-ticket products, where you are constricted within a very thin profit margin to maintain the marketability of the products. Here are examples of a high-ticket product and a low-ticket product. There is no doubt the wedding ring is a high-ticket product, even though the price is not displayed. It will obviously go over $200. On the other hand, the phone case is much cheaper and has a broader market base. Choosing between high prices with few orders and low prices with many orders will significantly define the scalability of your business in the long run. And you can do either model for any stores or platforms you are using, but think carefully before you make the decision. Pros of high-ticket dropshipping. Let's talk about the pros of high-ticket dropshipping. Why is it so attractive? Well, first, high profit margin. Since high-ticket products are expensive, you also got to enjoy higher profit margins, and that means you can sell fewer products to gain more money. Moreover, you could do a lot of promotional marketing with such a high margin. For example, offer customers some discount to make the products more attractive is a commonly used strategy. Offering free shipping is another great way to add value and grab customers' loyalty. Sell less to gain more. Another advantage of selling high-ticket products is that you can sell fewer products to gain more. Even though you are not selling as many items as low-cost dropshipping stores, your revenue still increase enough to sustain your business because of the high price. What's more, you can spend less effort on customer support since you don't have to deal with so many orders as low-ticket dropshipping would do. Targeted customer with low price elasticity. High-ticket products are goods with high value and a high selling price like luxury watches, jewelry, bikes, etc. Another main benefit of running a high-ticket dropshipping store is that the target customers are not price sensitive, making it easier to sell than with a budget buyer. Thus, by simply establishing good customer-client relation, you will be sure have a constant customer inflow. Spend less on product research. You can also spend less time on product research since you only sell certain products for your target niche. You will need to research and continuously add tons of new items to your inventory. Besides, you don't need to sell as many items to generate a healthy profit. By only focusing on your niche market, you can grow your business and dominate a particular high-ticket niche by simply offering the best item pair with the best customer support. Overall, the above are the key reasons you should consider transitioning to a high-ticket dropshipping business. However, it comes to the downside as well. Cons of high-ticket dropshipping. Need more investment at the beginning. Compared to low-ticket dropshipping, you will have to set aside more money to start with. Landing a $2,000 sales for your first time sounds incredible until you realize the money doesn't come back instantly. PayPal can easily take up to 3 weeks to arrive, with Stripe only having weekly payouts. The reality is, to have everything smooth sailing at the start, you will need money set aside to fulfill orders on time. If you want to reduce complaints in shipping time, and not many young beginners have the money. Expensive shipping and risks. Many customers' complaints come from shipping-related issues. Nevertheless, shipping is riskier with high-ticket products. If the parcel is unfortunately damaged or lost during a shipment, dropshippers will have to compensate more. You may ask, why don't you buy insurance for the products? Many shipping companies offer insurance for parcels, but they are not cheap. The higher you want to compensate when the parcel is lost or damaged, the more you will need to pay, and all those fees will become costly on you eventually. And some of the high-ticket items are really big. For example, bikes and pedal boards. Oversized and overweight products has extremely high shipping costs compared to a normal product like the phone case above. No trust, no sales. You need to build trust between customers in order to have regular sales. No one wants to buy a $1,000 ring without knowing the quality and the authenticity. The problem is less likely to happen if a customer is buying a $5 phone case. Moreover, the customer will likely ask for a refund if the product doesn't meet his or her expectation. Even if you don't accept the refunds, returning such a high-value items back involves risk as well, especially when you realize shipping costs are so high that they could even wash away your profits. Small market base and strong competitors. When buying high-value products, people tend to choose branded items because they are backed up with guaranteeing the after-sales support and good quality. Plus, the market base for high-ticket dropshipping is already smaller than the low-ticket. Marketing your stores and products becomes even more difficult under such circumstances. There are many different ways to do dropshipping, and every method has its ups and downs. To be honest, there is no best and worst. There is only the most suitable for you. As we discussed before, choosing the right method is the most important step for many dropshipping stores at the beginning. So please really be cautious about it. Hope this video will help to you. Finger crossed for your business. At the end of this video, I have a reminder for our CJ users. If you wish to get more information from CJ Dropshipping in time, we always recommend adding CJ's email to your mailbox whitelist to avoid unnecessary cases. If you like this video, always hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Your like will drive us to make more valuable content. Please share it on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest with your friends or coworkers. Thank you for watching it. See you next time. Bye!